Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making sweet potato pudding with a twist. I'm going to use grated dasheen, grated yellow yam, raisins, breadfruit puree, sugar, grated coconut milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and of course grated sweet potato. First, I'm going to combine the salt and the sugar with the coconut milk. Stir that very well and then put it aside. In my bowl, I have the grated sweet potato, grated yam, and grated dasheen. To that, I'm going to add the breadfruit puree. I'm going to stir that well. Then I'm going to add the grated coconut, the cinnamon. I'm going to mix that very well. Then I will add the grated nutmeg and the raisins. I'm going to combine all of that, and then to that I'm going to add the liquid until all of that has been used up. I should get a soft dropping consistency. Once that is done, I'm going to pour that into a 10-inch greased baking tin. Place that in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours. Remove that from the tin when it's cool, and now my pudding is ready to be sliced. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by Dr. Baillie, her daughter. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.